Here's Earl, who
I'm at the dinner table that has nothing behind me.
has agreed to do an unboxing in order to get a corn dog. But you didn't want to, did you?
No, I just wanted to eat the corn dog.
But what did we say?
Do you want content?
Is that how I said it?
Do you want content?
Is that how I said it?
Maybe, I don't know. I haven't got my impression of you down yet.
Okay, great.
So we're at Wienerschnitzel, which I noticed on the bag it says Dare Fun since '61. I also noticed that a lot of these restaurants came out in the late '50s, early '60s. McDonald's, Whataburger, Broncos. That's an Omaha thing. Sonic.
And remind me to
A
do...
lot of these things are coming out, and it all came out, and nothing really new since. Maybe the Wendy's, the Burger King, whatever. We're at Wienerschnitzel.
What are you unboxing today?
We have a corn dog. There's no pancake on a stick.
Right now they're 5 for $5.
Not bad. Good price. If you want heartburn.
What's that supposed to mean?
5 corn dogs equals heartburn.
Well, maybe you have a family to feed.
Or not.
How do you know 5 corn dogs give you heartburn?
I'm just sure they will. I mean, one, you end up burping it up for 2 hours as it is.
Is that your review of this hot dog?
No, first one's not bad. First bite's not bad. It's crisp. I mean, it's been 40 minutes since it was purchased.
30. 5.
5 minutes.
What are you doing there?
It's good cornbread.
Are you deconstructing?
Yep.
Why?
It's my unboxing, not yours. It's pretty good for a corn dog.
Well, see, without me interviewing you, you've got... It's pretty good for a corn dog. You've got your 6 words.
Fine. That's 7. 8, 9. 10. What can I say? It's a decent corn dog. It is a decent corn dog.
Is corn dog 1 word or 2?
Good question. We're gonna go around the base here.
Just around the base? I like the crispy part.
A little extra crunchy. Cornbread could have been a little sweeter. I'm not a ketchup person for corn dogs, so
What about mustard?
no mustard.
What about cheese? Sauce?
No. Corn dogs are just corn dogs. Unless it's sausage on the inside of a pancake corn dog.
Where'd you get that?
It's, I don't know who makes that, but it's pretty good.
Where'd you have it?
I don't remember. It's good though, because it's like got the sweet pancake batter on the outside of the sausage.
We're really not reviewing that right now, though, are we?
No, I'm done with the hot dog. It's gone. It's good. So good job, Wienerschnitzel. Continue on.
Scale of 1 to 10.
It's a good solid B. It's a solid.
Scale of 1 to 10. B.
85%. 8.5.
8.5. So this beats the Whataburger.
Oh, by far.
Okay.
Update on that. Apparently you're supposed to order cheese, which I'm not happy about. So caveat back to the last unboxing.
We couldn't do that. We couldn't videotape it then, though.
No.
But now we can admit it.
I admitted it earlier. Just
Didn't want to film it.
no. So yeah. So
Alright. How's that?
how's what?
That unboxing going?
Smooth.
Scale of 1 to 10?
It's 10.
Alright.
Every time. Unless it's warm. You know. But it's 1.
Okay. Thank you.
And then we would dispose of it properly.
In your nearest trash receptacle?
Yes. Or recycling as appropriate. In your area. Or city. Or town.
Thank you. Thanks.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye. Thank you. No. No.